The Uploadcare Video CDN lets you deliver high-quality videos by automatically adjusting video quality to match the viewer's internet speed and device, ensuring smooth playback. We recently added some new capabilities, including the H.265 codec support and resolutions up to 4K, making it easier than ever to deliver high-quality videos. Let me show you how it works. First, you need to enable adaptive bitrate streaming. In your Uploadcare dashboard, go to your project settings and open the Delivery tab and toggle on Adaptive Bitrate Streaming. Then, click the Edit button and pick the codec and resolution you want. For codec, you can choose between the H.264 and the H.265 codecs, and you can set the resolution for your video streams up to 4K. H.265 gives you better quality at lower bitrate, which makes it great for high-resolution videos. But keep in mind that not every device and browser supports it, so you will want to add at least one H.264 resolution as well, so your video plays everywhere. Now, whenever you upload a video, Uploadcare will automatically generate multiple versions at different bitrate and resolutions based on the codec you picked. When the video is uploaded, the video URL from the CDN will look like this. The first part is your project subdomain. The long string after that is your video's unique ID. And that last bit, adaptive_video, is what tells the CDN to serve it using adaptive bitrate streaming. To deliver the videos to your users, you can use the Video CDN URL format along with any video player that supports HTTP live streaming, such as Video.js or Shaka Player. The quickest way to do this is to use the Uploadcare Video Player, which is a lightweight and customizable video player that supports adaptive bitrate streaming right out of the box. To use it, first, install the UC video component via npm. Then, import the component in your entry file like this. And finally, add the UC video element to your page, setting the CDN CNAME and the UUID attributes to the values of your video file. Save this file and run your application. You should now see the Uploadcare UC video component rendering the video player. If you try to play the video, you should see that the quality automatically adjusts based on your internet speed and your device capabilities. In the video player settings, you can also see the available resolutions for your video file and manually select a specific resolution if desired. The Video CDN is available for all Uploadcare users, and you can start using it today to deliver high-quality videos to your users. If you would like to try it out, the free plan allows you to upload and deliver videos with a maximum upload size of 500 MB per video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any trouble setting it up, please reach out to us and we're more than happy to help. And see you in the next one. Happy file uploading. Bye.